Boleh cuma di Fibro Station 4, kajeng tip nam ta kubar laikam. Dan laikam biang hapo MPSC kumpa shispa khandai tali ke pus akan ka Meklia Public Service Commission te kidon laki jong te kitu ki bakwa ban apply ki balong eligible te salam apply kadon ke class 12 ko way ko ki way ki ba de engineering bata ter teng ne page akan ka advertisement ke ba penmi menta ka singi khat sau tarik jong menai April arjar arsan. Last date nam ta kane mau ada betul pamo online application will be received up to 17 hours on the 15th of May 2025. Last date ban apply nam ta kini ki post ki balai kan dei khasan tarik jong banai me arajar ar posan. Te ki bakwa ban apply ki balong eligible te sampai ki examination center ladap ong lupa ba ki don be hakini center Shillong, Tura, Jowai, William Nagar and Nongstoin. Te ka post manikong ka inspector of legal metrology Bagaimana Inspector of Legal Metrology in the Office of Controller of Legal Metrology kan level 12. Teknik kepala apply kene BSc in Physics as one of the subject mudba pila bandai physics chemistry maths ru tamaga physics kari bandon ben itu kibalik BSc te kila apply lada kadon ke subject physics. Lane BE BTech of any discipline must be able to speak one of the language of the state, must be physically and mentally fit. Te don tak wei ka post jong khasi jantia. Tang wei ka post nam ta ka Inspector of Legal Metrology. Sakabar kane ka buntam na baro ka don hadu shispa khandai tali ki post jong engineering. Te ngi pe kane kane ka junior engineer grade 1 civil under the following department. Ki don lagi jong department. Take a level 11 of revised pay structure, essential minimum 3 years diploma in civil engineering from government recognized institution. Last name you will apply ka civil engineering diploma in civil engineering from government recognized institution. Take in page wang ne laka jong ka department. Take department baningkong ka water resource department ki post ki balat hang ne ki bawakans ki don hadu life new tali Nrewa ka UR khatsan khasijantia khatsau hapo garu but R namta OSC OST category. Dan ka sericulture and weaving department of textile karan tangkawai jong garu category ini tangkawai ka sericulture. Dan housing department don kumba life post AI te UR khasijantia garu ka OSC ST nil mdon re. Tenamta ka community development kane ka bakhambun community and rural development department the post of junior engineer under CNRD is transferable and selected candidate have to undergo departmental examination and training to be prescribed by the appointing authority. Dan khandai tali UR R sautali khasijantia R fly tali garu kategori dan R tali namta OSC ST baro gedon kumbasan pupratali ai. Dan kane ka number E Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department kadang tangkawai jongka khasi jantia kategori. Dan PHE Department kadang UR sautali khasi jantia nyautali kane recommended by MPSC garu nyau OST SC R total arpo. Dan on field vacancy kadang kumba khasi jantia san garu sau te baro kilong khandai te baro kini ki post ke ne kilong ru shispa khandai tali te kitu ki ba lek police civil engineering lek diploma te kila ban apply nam ta kini ki post ki balaj te sa apply ka sedang naru menta bala penmi kini advertisement ni te second mau ban page. Dan number 3 name of the post kene draughtsman grade 2 surveyor grade 2 under the Directorate of Soil and Water Conservation level 7 of revised pay kini kibala ban apply long diploma holder in civil engineering draftsman surveyor from any recognized institution to must undergo the physical and medical test as prescribed by the appointing authority. Dan kawe UR lightly khasijantia lightly garu OSTSC nil barok ilang nyautali nam tagane mat kelas basau account assistant under the Directorate of Community and Rural Development level 6 pass class 12 mo kane takane ko way kan pass class 12 HSSLC or equivalent examination from any recognized board te don post tang khazin ja kawai garu kawai long artali takane ko way kan class 12 te gitu gi bokwa apply te apply no apo ka website macrecruitment.nic.in lani apo ka MPSC Meklia Public Service Commission ru ke website mpsc.nic.in hang turut pila aban apply. Age relaxation ka juhi khat pra hadu kan dewi sans name te ka age bayo man apply kan dewi khat pra hadu live ho r plus sans name kan long bet khat pra hadu live ho news name. Dan ka kindi la air kejong flexible to non kamera play to ka ki door jong ki push sakan mau ka serial number 1 bat number 2 kan de live pa san pho te nam ta ki SCST kan de no shis pa nyo san kawai ka post ma. Dan nam ta ka post number serial number 3 and 4 ka to ka 12 ro kawai but to an ka 12 ini ka de live pa ar pho te nam ta ki SCST kan de kan long no shis pa an ru pho kawai ka post ba apply ma. Submission of application candidate to apply submit application online cuma MPSC baru kan di online kelas date kan di kasan mui arjarap san kan di website mpsc.nic.in dan macrecruitment.nic.in pilaban kan di kajuhi kapoi hajuhi de itu kita ada ban register lupa ya lade ki login ban apply siu bisa lalong ban apply de second mau ban apply nam tagini kam bar ke exam ro ken kam koloi nam tagini te pihak prepare lupa no marum ta ken koloi baik. The method of selection ma ladap ail pang ne for the post of inspector legal metrology kandan ka general English is pak mark, general studies and altitude is pak mark, mathematics is pak mark, pro long life pak mark. Nam ta kini ka junior grade 1 civil kandan ka general English and po general knowledge and po but civil engineering diploma level ars pak mark, pro long life pak. Nam ta ka draftsman general English sispa civil engineering diploma level ars pak long life pak. Dan nam ta kan eka bapas kelas 12 account assistant general English general knowledge but mathematics marxis pa long lies pa mark te kasadan kada de waktu kada ki qualify pin poi haka personal interview te tanggine hiki yang pitip kulish bun